Alright, so a little update here from Honda Brew. I was driving along, and as you know, you've seen the video, the hatch died. So I was thinking it was maybe the fuel pressure, or the fuel relay switch, but the fuel pump kicks on and the relay is alright. So I charged the battery up, tested that, I put a brand new distributor on. I didn't have any spark, so... And mind you, I've been doing this all by myself the whole time, so I can't really... I was trying to like put it to metal stuff and see, and then finally I was able to see that there was no spark, and that was a bummer. So then it's like, alright, it's ignition, but the ignition seems alright. I ran a test light to some stuff. I ran a test light to the starter, to the alternator. I checked under the dash to some of the components where that goes. I checked my fuses, they're all good. The fuses under the dash are good. This motor is guaranteed. It's like, 25,000 miles I think are on it. The transmission's got like 35,000, and I have receipts and bought them from the depot. It's got all new lines, all new, like pretty much everything under the hood. Of course, it's been driven for a year now, and I've been daily driving it somewhat to car shows and different things, but it's just really strange. Rocking these ratty PJs. So yeah. Alright, so I was watching some videos and I've tried to, sometimes you can tap this. Solenoid is actually just messed up the ignition. So I've tried that, give it my wiggle. I'm going to turn it really quick to the accessory position. So you hear the fuel pump, the relay. That's good. Clutch in. And that's it, no spark. And that's where I'm at right now with it. So I've just tried a process of elimination, and I think I'm gonna have to get a new ignition. Once I do that, I'll take some videos and do some of the work I was doing. I forgot to take videos. I always forget to take videos, so I'm gonna try and do a as I'm doing it video and go from there. So that's the update. She'll be back on the road soon enough, but sometimes it's just, it is what it is. It just takes some time. But yeah. So it gave me the opportunity. I checked the grounds. I sanded some of my grounds. I checked the transmission ground. Double checked my battery terminals, which actually they were loose. I checked my ground here, and that one I cleaned up really nice. It never had a ground here from there to there, where it goes to that hole, and it'd been running fine without it. I checked some of the gas lines, and like some of my stock old lines, I gotta replace them. They seen better days. Oh boy. It's so funny. I just feel like I'm kind of out of it because it's been stressed with all the headaches of different things. Luckily, it's not like important for me to drive this car every day, so. But yeah. And then I checked the spark plugs, and this one had a fuzz of oil, just like literally a couple drops. But I definitely need to do its first service of O-rings, valve cover gasket, new spark plugs, new spark plug wires. And then I actually want to go over and, do the oil pan gasket and just, do its maintenance marks and check everything. And so I'm just kind of at a puzzled spot. I'm wondering maybe if the injector doesn't work. If anybody's out there that is watching this video, I would just appreciate if, like, this is I think it's a 95 OBD1. Actually, matter of fact, I know it's an OBD1 ran motor. So it's literally a Euro R. It's the h22A. Let me see. I'm acting stupid right now. I can't even see it. What the heck is it? Oh my god, I'm so dumb. There we go. Yeah, h22A. Like literally h22A. And I was reading a bunch of stuff about Preludes, and they do have some fuel problems, and sometimes they shut off, sometimes it's the filter, sometimes it's the fuel relay, sometimes it's literally just your ignition, sometimes it's your battery fuse, sometimes it's one of the fuses up under the dash. I was hoping it'd be something simple. This is the second distributor I tried. So, and yeah, so it's been fun. But I did take some stuff apart and just check everything, and it made it really nice. So, if anybody's gone through some issues similar, it'd be nice. I got, like I said, all that stuff. It's literally a Honda ECU. I have everything kind of tore out and all shitty looking, but you know, it's the P28 chipped, and I did notice a couple of wires on here, but nothing that was too crazy. But there's only one, and it didn't seem all nasty. I tried the original ECU that was in this car, and this is a VTEC one. It's the, I think F22 something, but it's the P13. That was the original one in it. So yeah, I swapped the ECUs. I tried pulling the ECU, and then I tried the cylinder there. So I'm really thinking I might have to switch out the ignition. I have that already. So that's my next task at hand for this bad boy. I had to get it towed back, and the lady that towed my car, like, it was a female, showed up, and she done smashed the sides. Luckily it didn't do any long-term damage, but alright guys, anyways, thanks for watching. I'll be back with another video.